Nowadays, people are making crayon drawings of their Instagram profile and their photos, their posts are getting viral. You can also make it very easy in just 2 steps. First step, just open your Instagram account and just take screenshot of your Instagram profile. Now, second step, open ChatGPT app. Click on this plus symbol, click on photos and just select the screenshot photo of your profile. Tap on Ask ChatGPT and just paste the prompt I have mentioned in the comment section, or you can just take a screenshot of this video. Okay, now just click on send. By the way guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trending tutorials like this. Also do join our Telegram and WhatsApp group to direct copy the prompts. Here is the final result. To download the photo, just tap on the photo and click on this download symbol. Thanks for watching guys.